Alright, man, so we're gonna start the retwist, you know, back at it again with another hair tutorial. I don't think, yeah, it's rose water.
It smells like pine glue.
Nah, it's supposed to, that's how rose water smell. Well, I don't usually do this, but we trying it.
Sure.
We doing this before the retwist. Make sure the hair is damp.
Because of this.
Yeah, I'm trying something new. So, mango online locking gel. Y'all comment below if y'all ever tried this. We're gonna see what it do. I'm gonna let y'all know what it did. Hopefully this turned out well. You know, I got that fresh lineup. But y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all finna see what it look like after. Y'all see the before, look at it good.
Go ahead, this way. This ring?
Alright, man, now that it's done, retwist it. Y'all can see it's clean. Now we're applying coconut oil to the scalp just to hydrate the hair, provide moisture, and then we're gonna style it. So y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all let me know y'all see the length, man. This shit's growing. Hey, if you ever get too cold when you're doing your hair and there's a blow dryer around, bruh. Oh shit.